07年喺歌唱比賽一鳴驚人嘅 Connie Talbot 呢日嚟到香港出席活動。今年11歲嘅 Connie 已經係第3次嚟到香港㗎啦。佢話覺得好興奮啊！最期待咧就係可以喺香港食點心同埋 shopping 啊。
How about food in Hong Kong?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like dim sum?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what else?
Haven't really tried much more.
You
Yeah.
like shopping? Do you know Hong Kong is a shopping paradise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're going tomorrow or something.
Okay.
講起 Connie，點可以唔提下佢首本名曲《Somewhere Over the Rainbow》咧？我哋嘅主播鍾建威都係 Connie 嘅 fans 嚟㗎，仲趁住呢個機會同佢合唱添啊！
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby.
Oh yeah, thank you. Okay. Connie 再次嚟到香港啦，見到佢比起5年前啱啱玩比賽嘅時候樣已經大個咗唔少，不過依然都係咁 sweet 同埋咁可人。我榮幸地可以同佢合唱到2句咧，我已經俾佢完全迷住咗啦。娛樂新聞台，鍾建威報導。